Isang lawmaker sa Turkish ang namatay on the spot after niya sabihin na ang Israel ay magsasuffer sa galit ni Allah. Panoorin natin.
Allah'ın gazabından kurtulamayacaksınız. Hepinizi saygıyla selamlıyorum.
Wow, I don't think na coincidence yan. Kasi alam nyo, naaalala ko yung ibang biblical story na kaparehas na nangyari sa kanya. Alam niyo yung kwento ni Ananias? When Ananias lied to the Holy Spirit, sabi ni Peter sa kanya, "You have not lied to man, but to God." Right after sabihin ni Peter yon, Ananias fell down and died right on the spot. Mababasa niya sa Acts 5 verse 1 to 10. And this verse shows the Trinity. Kasi 'di ba, nung nagsinungaling si Ananias sa Holy Spirit, sabi ni Peter sa kanya, "You have not lied to man, but to God." So sinasabi ni Peter na yung Holy Spirit is God. And this is a reminder na to everyone na you need to take it seriously. If you don't know who God is, seek Him with all of your heart. Humble yourself. Because there's only one true living God. Hindi ko napanood yung buong video ng statement nung namatay, but may nabasa ako na parang minamak niya yung Diyos ng Israel, si Yahweh. And the Bible said, sabi sa Galatians 6 verse 7, di ba? God cannot be mocked. And I just want to let you know na there's only one true living God, the everlasting God, the Alpha and the Omega. And that's Jesus, Yahweh.